Guys, welcome back to the January channel. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how to microwave some noodles. Now, what you wanna do is once you've opened the pack, you wanna first you wanna fill your bowl up with water, like I did. Next, you then wanna put the noodles in there. I already done that. And then once both are in the microwave. By the way, make sure the water's hot. Make sure it's in the microwave. Once it's in there, you can shut that damn door. And then, what you then want to do is you want to press this button right here called cook time. And what it will do is it'll change the sensor cook to this. And then, what you want to do is set it for 6 minutes. And then you just want to press start. Look at him go. Now, I've made these noodles here a little bit earlier. So, this should look like. So, once these noodles have been in there for 6 minutes, they should look like these noodles. And then, if you want to, just for fun, or if you want to combine your noodles or something, I'll show you what you can do once the noodles that are in the microwave are done. Just dump these noodles and yeah. Alright guys, so as you can see here, the noodles are done. Now what I did here is I combined my previously made noodle and the noodles I just made, dumped out the water from the previous bowl, and dumped it all into this bowl. And that's why my bowl is so full. So, yeah. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notification, and yeah, just leave a comment if comments are enabled. So yeah, I'll see you real soon. Peace out. Sorry, I can't do the peace sign because my hands are full. Just go flip it over real quick. Here we go. Now, peace out.